Hi, demonstrating the network power switch. I'll just show the demo and then explain what's going on. You see, so I'm transferring the load. When two sources, if any one source fades, the load automatically transfers to the alternative source without a break. So I restored the source. Now it just transfers to the primary source. Yeah, I can change the priority now. So the priority has been changed to this source, or if I change it over, the priority changes to this source without any break to the load. Transfers power from this to this. There's a two sources input, and this indicates the priority indication, and this indicates the load which has been connected. Say for example, this is the load which is getting transferred to the load. Now if I change the priority, the load has been supported by this source. Now see what happens if I change the priority. Now I will switch off the source. The load automatically transfers without any break to the alternative source. As you can see, it transferred from this to this without any break to the load. You can see the load over here. It is my lamp load. Let me restore the power back. Yes, the power come back. Yes, it has been transferred. The purpose of this product is that uh, there is ensures that there is no power failure to the critical loads. That's the purpose between two sources. And the operation of this, how it works is basically it works on a concept called PLL, that is phase lock loop. What happens is it syncs these two sources, that it samples the frequency, and what it does is when this two frequency is been synchronized inside this network module, what happens if I make any break, the frequency wherever this power has got cut, the SCR and the network inside this circuit continues with that frequency with the alternate power source which is provided here. Uh, the the module also monitors the frequency, that's the priority over here. The synchronous is maintained with the help of frequency synchronization. If the frequency is not synced, then you get a break. I'll just simulate that also. Let me show that. As you can see, there was a load breakout. Now I'll restore the power. The output came back. If the frequency does not sync, the output switches off. So most important why customers buy this is only because to ensure the uh, continuity of power is being maintained. So that's the purpose of the switch. We call it as network power switch. All right.